Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland government revises rate for COVID-19 test. UPHC Duncan runs out of vaccine doses. 3.32 lakh COVID cases, 2,263 deaths, India's new daily high. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with leading oxygen manufacturers. India to import 23 mobile oxygen generation plants from Germany. News in details. Nagaland government revises rate for COVID-19 test. The Nagaland government has notified the proposed new rates for COVID-19 tests in the government facilities or hospitals on Thursday, April 22, 2021. According to DIPR report, RT-PCR and TrueNat test, which was priced at Rs 1,500, is now revised to Rs 800. Meanwhile, the rapid antigen test is now revised to Rs 250 from its earlier price of Rs 500. It added, UPHC Duncan runs out of vaccine doses. As the number of people getting vaccinated against COVID-19 sees tremendous increase day by day, the availability of the vaccine is also declining at the Urban Primary Health Center, Duncan in Dimapur. Interacting with the news agency at her office chamber on April 22nd, medical officer in charge of the center, Dr. Rose, informed that the center had used up all its vaccine vials by the end of the day. We are receiving around 200 vials of vaccine from Kohima for tomorrow's session. Those beneficiaries receiving second dose will be given priority, she stated. She further informed that the center has vaccinated over 3,900 beneficiaries. She said that on average 100 to 150 doses of the vaccine were being administered on daily basis when the government announced eligibility of person above 60 years. After the eligibility was brought down to 45 years, the daily average of people getting vaccinated at the center increased by 200 plus. But people who are above 60 years are showing more enthusiasm to get vaccinated, Dr. Rose informed. 3.32 lakh COVID cases, 2,263 deaths, India's new daily high. India added a record of 3.32 lakh new coronavirus cases in a single day, taking the country's tally to 1,62,63,695, while active cases crossed the 24 lakh mark, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. The death toll increased to 1,86,920 with a record of 2,263 new fatalities. The country recorded a single-day rise of 3,32,730 new cases, the data updated at 8 am showed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with leading oxygen manufacturers. As India reels under the unavailability of oxygen, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday held interactive with leading oxygen manufacturers across the country via video conferencing. While chairing the meeting, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said this time is not only to deal with the challenges but also to provide solution in a very short time. He stressed the need to maintain good coordination between the government and the oxygen producers. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting on COVID-19 situation with chief ministers of high-burden states. The Prime Minister requested state to be strict with hoarding and black marketing of essential medicines and injection. He stressed that safety of hospitals should not be neglected. After reporting more than 3.32 lakh fresh infection, India extended the world record it set yesterday for reporting the biggest single-day spike of COVID-19 cases in a day. Till Friday morning, the country has reported 1.63 crore confirmed cases of coronavirus and 1.87 lakh deaths due to it. India to import 23 mobile oxygen generation plants from Germany. Battling shortage of medical oxygen, India is now importing mobile oxygen generation plants and containers from Germany for deployment at the Armed Force Medical Services hospitals treating COVID-19 patients. The AFMC has decided to import 23 mobile oxygen generation plants that will reach India within a week. 23 mobile oxygen generation plants are being airlifted from Germany that will be deployed in AFMC hospital catering to the COVID-19 patient, a defense ministry spokesperson said. Each plant has a capacity to produce 40 liters of oxygen per minute and 2,400 liters an hour, and it can cater to 20 to 25 patients round the clock. The advantage of this plant is that they are easily portable, he said. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.